Alright, I'm trying to test this CDI box, I guess. I'm putting these two here. The needle jumps a little bit. I do the same connection on this side. The needle jumps the same amount. I do these two. The needle doesn't really do anything. This way the needle jumps a little bit. Over here, needle jumps all the way to the other side. When I do the same thing on this side, here, the needle jumped all the way. This one, the needle jumped a little bit like it did on the other side. When I put them like this, nothing. Like this, needle jumps a little bit. When I put them like this, needle jumps a little bit. Reverse it, nothing. When I do these two, which I guess are the negatives, the needle jumps all the way. So it seemed like everything responded equally on both sides. So I'm thinking that this box is okay. And when I took off the wires, well, wait a minute. Alright, continuing on, I'm taking off brown from this side, brown from this side, and I'm going to connect them, and the needle jumps all the way to the other side. Alright, those are the browns. When I take off the other two pair, needle jumps all the way to the other side. This one also has an extra wire in it. I'm not sure what that's for. And I did take off the two negatives, and they also jump all the way to the other side. So everything seems to be working, or registering or something. Thank you. Any ideas would be helpful, or if that seems to indicate that this box is okay and I have to look somewhere else. I read about the stator and something about the trigger, but I thought testing these wires this way would test that the stator is okay. Any comments? Love to have them.